It will soon be against the law in Oklahoma to make a person or employer participate in any health care system. Voters overwhelmingly passed State Question 756 last night with nearly 65% support. 2 News reporter Jason Grubbs joins us live with more on what this means for Oklahoma.
Well, Karen, with any issue, there's two sides of the debate. Tonight, one side saying that State Question 756 puts the federal government in check. Also gives the Oklahoma State Attorney General a little more wiggle room if the state wants to sue the federal government over this health care reform. The other half, they say this may actually impact some of the federal funding we receive.
It'll be interesting to see how the federal government interprets it and how the Attorney General interprets it.
Senator Dan Newberry is behind one of Oklahoma's latest state constitutional amendments. Citizens and employers can now opt out of the new federal health care reform bill, signed into law by the president last March. A handful of other states have passed similar legislation.
Our attorney generals can band together and then say, not only is this an offense to our people, but it's against our laws.
Lawsuits are currently pending against the reform. The newly elected Oklahoma Attorney General hasn't said if he'll officially join them. In a recent interview with 2 News, Senator Tom Adelson says it all depends on the courts.
If it's constitutional, we will be mandated to provide that. If it's unconstitutional, then the question is moot.
It's not clear just yet what impact State Question 756 will have on Oklahoma and its programs. Senator Adelson says opting out has always been an option.
The National Health Care Reform does say that states can opt out. We can opt out as long as we on our own meet these coverage initiatives.
And those initiatives are already in place with 2 state-run health care programs. More than 825,000 Oklahomans rely on Sooner Care. Another 35,000 use Insure Oklahoma. Some worry if the new law will impact federal funding. Senator Adelson says the passage of 756 is only symbolic.
Certainly the Oklahoma people have spoken, to the tune of 65%, saying we don't want any part of this. And that does have some, symbolism in it. But there's also teeth inside the bill.
Teeth that Senator Newberry hopes will send a message to Washington. And that amendment to the state of Oklahoma Constitution takes effect January 1st. Put live from Northwest Tulsa, Jason Grubbs, 2 News works for you.